In this video, I'll be showing how to replace rear sway bar end links on a Chevrolet Equinox. They are located behind the rear wheels. Let's get started. Now let's go ahead and remove our left rear wheel. It is 5 19mm lug nuts. Set these aside. Now pull off your wheel. Now that our wheel's off, we're going to go ahead and locate the sway bar end link behind the knuckle. You have two 15mm on each side for the top. Put a wrench on one side and a socket on the other side and remove the bolt. And set these aside. I'm going to move along to the bottom. I'm going to be using a 15mm wrench and a 7mm socket to hold the shaft of the sway bar end link so it doesn't spin. I'm going to remove my socket. Here's the nut. And there it is. Now for our new rear sway bar end link. The stud goes on the bottom. I'm going to slide it through on the sway bar. Insert our bolts with washer. And hand tighten our nut. I'll do the same, 15mm on both sides. Once secured on the back, I have this one to install the nut. Just snug it down for now. The torque specification for both nuts is 43 foot-pounds. Just carry with the wrench on the back and torque it down. Now we're going to install our new hardware for the bottom stud. Use the 7mm to secure the stud while you snug the 15mm down. Again, torque this to 43 foot-pounds. Now let's go ahead and reinstall our left rear wheel. So hand thread on your 5 lug nuts. Now I'm just going to snug these down in a crisscross pattern with my 19mm. Now let's go ahead and torque these to 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. And that completes our install. Go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test, and thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.